Hey everyone, my name is Chris Chan, and today we're going to talk about why the cost of care is going to double over the next 2 years. But first, hold on one second. Dude, pick up the phone. Why are you not picking up? Okay, either pick up the phone or like, comment, subscribe. Just do me a favor. Come on, show me a little love. All right? I'll hang up if you like, comment, subscribe. Okay, thanks. The cost of constructing a building today is like literally 2x, 3x what it cost 10 years ago, okay? So if you're opening up a new assisted living facility, by default, you're going to have a much higher construction cost. Therefore, the debt service of that new facility, not to mention the operating costs and payroll and everything else that goes into it, they're just gonna be much higher. In the last 2 years, the average cost of assisted living has gone up from $3,500 to $4,500. And I predict that in the next 2 years, you'll see assisted living prices average around $7,000 per month. And I think another thing that's gonna blow your mind is that the cost of home care is probably gonna go from an average of around $27 to an average of closer to $50 to $52 per hour just 2 years from now. By 2025, all of this, I think, and again, this is my opinion. Now, I have a very strong opinion on this, and some people are like, where's the proof? Where are the statistics? Okay, well, just look around because everyone's house price just went up 2x the last year. But the reality of it is that the cost of care is going to double, okay? And this is gonna cause a lot of problems for the middle market, for middle America, for the baby boomers, people that are 45, 65, taking care of their mom and dad, taking care of their spouse. The cost of their ongoing care needs is going to be so expensive compared to what it is today. And there's only one solution that is going to actually provide an alternative that is not only like great for the individual, the senior themselves that needs the care, but for the family. And it's a cost-effective solution. And it's going to be adult daycare. And literally, there is no other option out there that is going to be able to offer the same value for the cost that adult daycare currently is. And so even if adult daycare doubles with the rest of the cost of care, it's still going to be half of what home care is and even half of what assisted living is. And so that being said, guys, if you are taking care of a loved one or if you know someone who is, this is going to be a service that they are going to need. And our goal is to transform the future of senior care through adult daycare. And we plan on opening a center in a city near you someday. So if you haven't already, learn more about our franchise opportunities. Love to talk to you about that. If you want to open up your own adult daycare and join this movement, go to adcpro.com, learn more about our monthly webinars, join our private Facebook group, and stay in touch with us on YouTube here because we put content out every single week just for you guys because we are going to change the world. And adult daycare is going to be the vehicle that we change the world in. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.